2011 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.